Kwa ihinda iraya arimi guku bururi-ini makoretwo magicakaya ni undu wa gucererwo gwa kimera thengia ya gukorwo mahariirie migunda yao. Gucererwo kwa mihango ya mahanda kuracungiririo ni waagi wa bataraitha ruhonge-ini rwa thirikari rwa NCPB.
About the issue of fertilizer, again, have we put systems into place? Have I been able to do my work as a minister? I have not denied that we have delayed in so many things.
Thirikari ni yumirite na kuga mbeca cia bataraitha iria cigitwo keheri-ini ruhonge rwa kigina tijiganu.
We all admit the money has come in a little bit too late, and secondly, the money that has come in is not even sufficient. They have just been given 2 billion out of about 5.5 to about 5 billion that was required.
Governor wa Uasin Gishu Jackson Mandago ni arutite rete na kuri honge cia thirikari igathike mitaratara ya gutigirira arimi mari na bataraitha mbere ya imera cia mahanda.
Probably what we need to do is to ask the institutions responsible to be able to fast track and help the Ministry of Agriculture in making some very important decisions on procurement. And we're asking the National Treasury, the Public Procurement and Oversight Authority, that when we find ourselves in such a situation where we are already in the planting season, we've just gotten the money about a week ago and we need fertilizer in another 1 week. This is the time to apply the provisions of law in procurement to make sure that Ministry of Agriculture are given a go-ahead to do a direct procurement of the fertilizer using the available producers that we have in the country. That way they can be able to avail the fertilizer to the farmers.
Ihinda-ini riu Minister wa urimi Waagi augire arimi a mbembe aria matwarire magetha mao makombe-ini ma NCPB kuma ciumia ithatu hituku ni mamukirite marihi mao.
Those people who supplied us maize 2-3 weeks ago have all been paid.
For the first time, they have paid farmers what they have delivered.
Mekwaragia munene-ini moremi kiharu-ini kia Eldoret. Wajirumeta Uhoro TV.